Good morning, Form 5. Now we are going to solve a unit test on Unit 2. Number 1. Translate the verbal statements into symbolic expressions. Meaning, translate from this English to math, okay? 7 is added to the double of a number. The first thing, adding means plus, the operation first. Prepare your two numbers. This is 7 prepared. Double of a number, we are going to call the number x. Double of a number x, it is written in math and prepared in math by 2x, because double and twice mean 2 times, and times will disappear in one condition, that the number is written first and the letter is written second. So it will be 2x. The third thing, which are we going to write here and here? Who's going to be written here? Let's see if you have an exception word. Added to, like add to, like adding to. Yes, we exchange places. It will be 2x plus 7. Number B. 3 is subtracted from 3 times of a number. Slowly. Subtracted mean minus. The first number is ready written 3. The second number from who? 3 times of a number x. This is not ready. 3 times x means 3x. Now it is ready. The third thing, which are we going to write first? Subtract from is an exception where we write the second. We write it the first, and the first we write it the second, so it's 3x minus 3. Number 2a. The perimeter of a square whose side length is x. The perimeter of a square is 4 times side length, and he wants us to call the side length x, so it will be 4 times x, where the multiplication will disappear, so the answer will be 4x. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side length is L. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 times side length, where he called the side length L, so it will be 3 times L. So multiplication will disappear, so it will be 3L. Number C, the area of a rectangle whose length is x and width is 5 equal. He said area or perimeter. There is a rule we must write. Now it is the area of the rectangle, length times width. He said that the length we are going to write x and the width we are going to write 5. So x times 5. Now we have a number multiplied by a letter. Please, when you see a number multiplied by a letter, go back to the multiplication rule. The rule says the number written in math first, so the multiplication operation can disappear and the letter beside it. So it will be 5x centimeter square. Okay? Number 3 is a homework. Number 4 we are not going to solve number 4. Number 7. Solve for x. Means find the solution set of x. Find x. If we look here, we will find it not written as an equation. We need to prepare it or to write it neatly. The equal is always this side, and the problem is always the left side. So we are going to write 5x plus 7 times 10 is 70, and the equal is the right side. Like this. We do it like this, and then solve it. 5x means 5 times x. So now we have two operations. That means we have two problems in one problem. We are going to start by the weaker. Plus will go after the problem to be minus, and the number beside the plus will go after it. So it will be minus 70. Who stayed here and waiting will be here in the left side. So 5x is equal to 75 in its place minus 70. Solve it first. And 5 times x is waiting till you solve it. 75 minus 70, it will be equal to 5. Now it is a new problem. The multiplying will go after the problem by dividing, and it will take the number beside it, will be after it. So who stayed here, which was x, which we want, and the 5 here, which was the result, will stay in its place. So x is 5 divided 5. So x is equal to 1. Before you write it in a solution set, check it and put it in the original problem, please. Put 1 instead of x. Do it on the calculator and press equal. If the equal will give you 75, so it's right. 5 times 1, 5. Plus 70, it will be 75. So it gave me the same equal as in the original problem. So yes, x is 1, where the solution set is equal to 1. Thank you, Form 5, for watching. By this, we finished Unit 2. Bye-bye.